Russian President Vladimir Putin attended an Orthodox Easter service in Moscow amid his own government's declaration of an Easter ceasefire in Ukraine, a truce that Kiev claims was never honored. The solemn service was held at the Cathedral of Christ the Savior, Moscow's main church, and was led by Patriarch Kirill, the head of Russia's Orthodox Church and a key religious figure aligned with the Kremlin. Putin, dressed in a navy blue suit and red tie, stood alongside Moscow Mayor Sergei Sobyanin, holding a thin red candle and crossing himself as the traditional Easter greeting, Christ is risen, echoed through the church. But even as prayers for peace filled the cathedral, the reality on the ground in Ukraine told a different story. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky accused Russia of violating its own announced ceasefire, reporting nearly 60 shelling incidents on Easter morning alone. For Kiev, the so called truce was merely symbolic, just words as they described it. Patriarch Kirill, during his sermon, called for what he described as a lasting and just peace across the vast lands of historic Rus, a term often used to evoke a shared past among Russia, Ukraine, and Belarus. He added, if the people truly followed the Easter commandment to do no harm to others, life would look entirely different, not just in our homes, but between nations as well. Easter remains the most sacred holiday for Orthodox Christians and for President Putin. The Orthodox Church continues to play a central role in shaping both his personal beliefs and political vision. But as prayers rise in cathedrals, the echoes of conflict still thunder in the fields of Ukraine.